Hi guys, welcome to Jamaica is a series. I'm Shaz, and as you can see, I'm by myself today. So what does that mean? Cooking, right? Or making something solo. But my lovely camera ladies behind there, Kathy, don't forget to check out her YouTube channel from Kathy's perspective. So remember to go over there. Also today we're gonna be doing wild caught flounder. Just full disclosure, people, this is my first time making flounder today. So I normally fillet my own fish. I do not like farm raised anything, so it's always wild caught. But look at this, guys, it comes individually wrapped. I didn't even know that, so I think that's great. And then after I take all these out, I'm gonna just wash them. This is what the flounder looks like. I already cleaned it. You saw it earlier. And now I'm going to season it. So I'm going to be doing a lightly breaded curry flounder. So these are my seasoning. As you know, the all-purposes, the adobo, all-purpose, or adobe. Obviously, the better pot curry. Love it. Gonna be putting a little tip of cayenne pepper, people. That look of spiciness. Obviously I also put pimento. This is the fish seasoning. Gonna be using obviously a little bit of black pepper, garlic powder, and so that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. And salt, you have to do salt. So because this is fillet fish, I'm just gonna be doing a tablespoon of each on the fish first. All the seasonings that I have here, I'm going to be putting a teaspoon onto the flounder. There are about 3 pounds of flounder here. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'll use my seasoning for what's going to be on the batter. So I put on gloves, people, because you curry gets all in your fingers, and I don't like the smell of bleach, so I just put on gloves. But as you can see, these are all the seasoning, and I'm gonna rub it onto the fish, so every single individualized slices are seasoned. So this is the first time my family are gonna taste me doing filleted fish, because they like fish with bones in it. But I used to, when I lived not in this state, I used to do it a lot for the person I was living with. And so I used to fillet my own fish, or I used to just just get things together. I buy the fillet fish and do it. So I just decided, why not do it today? And since it's my first time doing flounder, I'm like, you know what? I should bring the people along. Why not? So you can see, fully seasoned. So that's how you want each individualized piece. The problem I feel when I go out to eat and people are doing like any kind of breaded stuff, the coating is always good, but the inside is never seasoned. I'm like, you have to make sure the inside is seasoned as well as the batter, because then it's not gonna have taste. So, all right, people. Ta-da! All right. So I normally just put this down to soak for about half an hour. So I'm gonna cover it, put it in the fridge, and let it soak in. And then I'm going to, in the meantime, season the flour. So you get to see me do that. And then when it's time to do it, you will see it. All right, people, so I'm gonna make the flour base in this container because that's what I'm gonna dip the, oops, Sorry, people. That's what I'm gonna dip the fish in. I'm gonna get rid of this because you guys have already seen what it is, and so you know, don't have to worry about that. It has no preservatives, people. Right. So I'm gonna use about 1 cup of flour. I mean, you know what? I need more. I'm using 2 cups of flour, people. 2 cups of flour. For the flour batter, I'm using 1 tablespoon of all of the seasoning, except I'm gonna use about 2 teaspoons of salt. I don't like a lot of salt, so I'm gonna feel it out. I'm gonna probably use 1 teaspoon. Yes, people, it need more curry because it want the fish to come out curried. That's the whole point of this one. So people, I turned on the fan. So now it's hot, so I'm gonna put these in. All right, so I'm just gonna make it stay there and get ready. Alright, people, we have to wipe off the stove because I want Jackie come for me, you know. So I'm just wipe it off before I flip the thing. So, alright, time now for me to flip it in. So camera woman, come on in so you can see it. So look, people, so I'm checking it. You see it? They don't take that long to cook, people. Just so you know, they don't take that long. Ooh, you see? Coming apart. And not just like, be very gentle, people. Be very gentle. That means this needs to stay a little bit more. So let me move this over and bring it down. That's why it's coming apart. If it's coming apart, people, you know that you need to let it soak some more. So the one you don't want to come neither, you know, people. But see that? See, people? See how beautiful they're looking? Alright, this one needs to soak some more. But that's how it looks. So I'm gonna put another one in the pot. It's time to take them out, people.
Last batch, people. We have a lot of fish, which is good. We have a big family, and probably people will eat, you know, 2 or so of them. So it's always that.
Alright, so people, I'm making the batter now, and obviously it has onion fell. It has tomato, pimento, onion. It's gonna have scallion and like all-purpose seasoning. And I'm not gonna put any salt in it because the fish already had salt, so I don't need to add any salt. And then that's just make it simmer. And you put a little bit of butter in it, like a quarter stick of butter. Yeah.
Also, it's gonna have thyme in it.
Yep. Well, I love ground seasoning. That's why you see so much is in it. Oops. That's why you see so much is in it, people. I'm a big fan of ground seasoning. I love ground seasoning, people. So I put the bell pepper in it because I like to eat it, you know. So you don't have to put bell peppers and stuff like that, but I just really love them and I just like it in my food. So when I make the batter, it has a lot more things in it than like when my mom makes her batter or my stepdad. So I like the colors too. Like if you look at it, like the colors, it's just beautiful. So people, veggie rice aguhan. So try to keep the meals kind of a little healthy, except for the frying. So guys, I'm finished. I did veggie rice with the flounder. I am not putting every fish into the batter because not everybody in the family wants it in there. So I'm actually only going to put half of the fish in there and then half would be out. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching another episode of Jamaica is a Series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you know we need your support. So please subscribe, please share. You know, I hope you really try this for yourself or your family because it came out really good, people. It came out really good. I was expecting it not to come out as good as it did. So please remember, I'm gonna dish your plate now and show you what it looked like. So just hold on. So people, it looks really good. I hope you definitely try it again with your family. Can't encourage you enough. This is not my plate, people, because I can't eat so much, but it's gonna be somebody in the family's plate. And I just want to remind you to come back next week. Again, people, like, comment, subscribe, and share it up, people. Again, it's Shaz, and come back next week.